just want to mention that with your shampoo is included a free signature massage. Would that be okay with you? Perfect. Let's go ahead and lean back, darling. So I am using Biolage Raw. This one is called Recover. I think it's perfect for you because it is for stressed and sensitized hair. It uses yucca and goji berry in it, but of course it has all the proteins to keep you healthy and whatnot. And I just feel like as a blonde, this is perfect for you.
Awesome.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
It does smell really good.
So I'm going to use some Trinity Protein Cream on you. This we're just going to spray in the hair when it's wet. It's got this really thick consistency here. Let me get your hand. I'm going to show you. It's got that, like, feel that. It's like creamy, right? Yeah, and so imagine the things that it's doing to your hair. So wet here, you're just going to give it a quick spray. I like to really saturate the ends to get all that protein onto it. Again, you're blonde, so keeping with the protein is the best option. And then we are just going to use a wet brush. And we are going to start from the bottom and work our way up. So this one is Basu oil, and this just has one of those like really light types of textures to it. I don't know, feel that. It feels very like, you know, light to the touch. And it just is going to do really wonderful things to your hair. So I'm going to add probably about a dime size amount to my hands. And I'll just give that to you. There you go. And I'm going to work this through your ends first. Ah, your hair loves it. There we go. Just work this into its base. Perfect. So you like to usually park down the center, right? Perfect, so that's where I'm going to go ahead and section this top panel off, wherever you part your hair. And this is where we're going to get the most volume, so this is super exciting. Beautiful. spray. And what this is gonna do is we're just gonna give a light coat and we're gonna take care of these little guys right here and through the hairline area.
Okay.